Finding your perfect niche. Welcome back to Blogology Collective, where we're here to help you build a blog that stands out. I'm Sebastian Reed, and today we're diving into one of the most important steps in starting a blog: finding your perfect niche. Let's break down what a niche is, why it's essential for your success, and how to choose one that works for you. So, what exactly is a niche? Niche is simply a specific topic or area that your blog will focus on. Think of it as the unique angle that sets your blog apart in a sea of content. By honing in on a niche, you're not just writing about anything and everything. You're targeting a particular audience who shares a strong interest in that subject. This makes it easier to connect with readers, build authority, and ultimately grow a successful blog. Let's talk about why is a niche crucial for success. Choosing a niche isn't just a nice to have. It's actually crucial for blog success. So many blogs out there, the more focused you are, the easier it is for readers to find and trust your content. Well-defined niche helps you attract a dedicated audience and build credibility. Plus, a targeted blog is much more likely to convert visitors into subscribers or even customers, giving you a foundation for long-term growth. So, how do you choose a niche? Right, now let's talk about choosing your niche. Here are a few key steps. Identify your interests. Start by listing topics you're passionate about or have experience with. When you enjoy the subject, it's easier to stay motivated and consistently create valuable content. For profitability, once you have a few ideas, consider the earning potential. Some niches are more profitable than others, so look for ways to monetize, like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling products. Assess market demand. Lastly, choose a niche with a strong audience interest. Too broad, and you'll have a hard time standing out. Too narrow, and you might struggle to find readers. Balance is key. Research tools. Now, let's explore a few tools to help with niche research. Start with Google Trends. It's a free resource that shows the popularity of your topic over time. Type in your niche ideas and see if they're gaining or losing interest. Another great strategy is to explore niche-specific forums or groups on social media platforms. This can give you real insight into what your potential audience is talking about, what their pain points are, and what content is missing. And that's it for today's guide on finding your perfect niche. Remember, the right niche isn't just about popularity or profitability. It should also resonate with you. Start with these steps. Use the tools we mentioned, and you'll be well on your way to building a blog that's both successful and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips from Blogology Collective. As always, join our community to connect with like-minded bloggers who are on the same journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.